各位 DFSK 和赛力斯的经销商朋友们，各位网友，大家好，欢迎来到第129届线上广交会小康集团网上直播间。我是你们的老朋友张新燕，很高兴又一次与大家以这样的方式进行交流。2020年是不平凡的一年，在所有海外经销商的共同努力下，在所有国内外网友、粉丝们的大力支持下 ，DFSK 稳住了海外市场，跑赢了行业大盘，微车出口量稳居行业第一位。同时，赛力斯电动车批量出口到了德国、法国、意大利等欧洲市场，经受了全球最高端市场的检验，为海外市场全面发力打下了坚实的基础。这一年，小康集团加大新产品开发投入，先后有赛力斯 SF5 电动车、风光580红星版、风光500 SUV 以及东风小康 C51、C52 微型商用车等新产品隆重上市。接下来将会由我们的主播带领大家全面了解 DFSK 和赛力斯的新产品，同时我们将通过云展厅静态展示和线上动态直播的方式，向大家全面展示小康集团 DFSK、赛力斯两大汽车品牌以及商用车、乘用车、电动车三大产品系列20多款车型和零部件。欢迎大家按照我们的直播排期收看在线直播，积极参与互动留言和网上订购。再次感谢大家的关注和参与，谢谢大家。
Hi, Fred. My name is Kush Ku.
Kush, good to meet you.
Good to meet you too.
So I wanted to let you know I just came from your showroom and your factory, and I can tell you I'm very, very fond of the SF5 and hoping you could tell me more about it.
Yeah, my pleasure. Please. Okay, Fred. Right now I'm doing the export fair. This is the 129th export fair. I'm doing the broadcasting because normally for the past few years we are doing the fair in Guangzhou. But this year, due to the pandemic, we don't have a chance to go there. So we take this opportunity to do the broadcasting here. So I take this chance to introduce you our electric models.
Great. Looking forward to it.
Okay, let's move to the SF5. I'm sure you have some understandings of this model in the showroom and in the factory also. You have tested the car.
Yeah, I had an opportunity to drive it, and believe me, I'm very impressed with the SF5.
Actually, SF5 is our first high-end intelligent electric SUV of Canton Group. And for this model, we have two versions. One version is a range extender version, which is called EVR. We have tested that model in the factory. So for the EVR version, we have capacity 35 kilowatt hour for the battery capacity. It's a lithium battery, and this gives you 150 kilometers range.
Wow.
And so when the battery goes down the 30%, there is a range extender. It consists of a 1.5 turbo gasoline engine. Will start to generate the power for the motor directly, and then the surplus power go to the battery.
Oh wow, that's amazing.
Yeah. For the EVR, we have two kinds of motor arrangement. First one is that we have two motors, AC asynchronous motors from Canton Group. The max power can reach 510 kilowatt. So this is the one you saw also in the factory. And this motors, you can get drive range about 700 kilometers.
Wow.
Also, we have another motor arrangement from Huawei. So for the rear motor, the Huawei brand motor, combined with Canton motor, totally we can get the 405 kilowatts for the power. And then for this motor, you can drive as long as more than 1,000 kilometers.
Really?
Yeah.
Wow, that's impressive.
Yeah. Exactly. Besides this EVR version, we have also the pure electric version. For this version, the battery capacity is 90 kilowatt hour and gives you about 510 kilometers.
That's amazing. I love it. So, do you mind if we take a look at the car inside?
Yeah.
All right.
Seeing from the front, you can see the front grille is a LED headlight combined with a daytime running light. This is a Sigma shaped, so which gives the car looks more dynamic and sporty.
I love that. I mean, I love the look. It's aggressive and beautiful at the same time.
Yeah. From the right hand side, you see the streamline of the car is very dynamic, and the door handle is concealed into the door to give a better NVH, the noise proof. And we have here 20-inch aluminum rim together with Pirelli tires as standard.
Yeah.
So normally for this kind of brand tires, you can only see in the luxury brand, but here you can see we have this standard.
Yeah, that's I love that. I love the look, and it's just
Yeah.
a beautiful matching wheels with this car.
Yeah. So let's go to the back side.
Sure.
Here is a port for the fueling, because this is a EVR version. So here you can fuel in the car. So in the middle position of the rear lamp, you can see the series letters. This is integrated rear lamp, makes the car even wider. Yeah.
Gorgeous.
So here you have the switch for opening the trunk. It's just inside the rear wiper.
Good place to put it.
Yeah, so open the trunk. The trunk you can get 370 liters, so that's more than enough for your daily use.
Yeah, oh yeah. There's a lot of space for a lot of things in here.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Awesome. I love this
Yeah,
car.
this is a port for the charging. For the whole chassis of this car is aluminium. Yeah, so which makes the car much more lighter to give a better power performance. So can we sit inside?
Yeah, I'd love to.
You please sit in the driver's seat.
Even better. Thank you.
Yeah. So I'm to the co-driver's seat.
Okay. Maybe you could tell me more about these features.
By sitting inside, you can see that there is a very lean arrangement for the control buttons, because normally you can see many control buttons inside of the conventional cars, either on the dashboard or either on the center console. But for this model, we integrate all the control buttons inside this 17-inch display. From here, you can control everything, every function of the car. So normally from here, you can have 5 modes for driving the car: normal, sport, freedom, speed, eco. This 5 modes.
Nice.
And here you can control the door locks, the trunk, the charging port, the fueling port, attached safety locks, and also the alert for the pedestrian when the car is running at a very low speed. And you have also control on the infotainment system, music, radio. Here you have the camera. It's panoramic, 360-degree camera
Yeah, I can see that.
to control the car.
Wow, it's amazing technology all in this one screen.
Yeah. You also have the voice command.
请说指令。
打开车窗。
正 再打开窗户。
So it's very
That's cool.
intelligent,
Oh.
smart. So just now it's open the window.
Oh yeah, that's
请说
amazing.
指令。
All this
关闭
technology.
车窗。
正在关闭窗户。
Yeah.
Yeah, this car is amazing. I mean, wow, like so much technology in here that it blows everything else I've seen in recent years. So I love it.
Yeah. So from the cluster, you can see the battery SOC. Right now it says 76%. So it shows the battery range is 108 kilometers. And here you have the fuel tank range. Right now there's not too much fuel, so it's only 5 kilometers. So here shows the total range of the car.
Got it. Okay.
So here you have the glove box here. Putting small articles. Here also the box. So you can see the total material for the upholstery of this car is very luxury.
Yeah, really high end.
We use the Lapa leather. So normally such kind of material is used for the luxury brands.
Yeah, I can tell there's a very high quality material on this car.
Yeah. So here is makeup mirrors. We have as standard glass box.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
And you got a very huge sunroof as well.
Yeah, it's panoramic.
Yeah,
Yeah.
it's amazing.
Also, we have the multifunctional steering wheel. You can control also the voice command from here,
请说指令。
like this. And to control the voice, like this.
Oh, okay. Very
And
convenient.
makes, mute
Yeah.
here. Yeah.
Wow.
You have everything here.
Everything you could ever want in a car is all right here.
Yeah. So total arrangement is very neat but we have everything inside of the display. This is a big difference from that you can show in the conventional cars.
Yeah, it seems like it's very easy to manage all your controls all with one dash, one screen. So yeah, it's great. Technology and the research you guys did is amazing for this car.
Indeed. Okay.
Yeah, so I know that I see a few other models here in the showroom. I was wondering maybe we can take a look at a couple others.
Yeah, we did. Let's go.
Okay.
So this is a high end.
Yeah,
And
definitely.
for this model, we have the entry level. So it's a car for a family like with a lower budget.
Okay.
So
What's this one called?
this is called model E3.
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 E3. Okay.
This model now we also exporting to European market as well.
Ah, nice.
So for the front face, you can see very lean design with halogen headlight and also the daytime running light. Here you have the aluminum rear 18-inch, standard.
Wow. Standard.
Yeah.
Nice.
Go to the back side. You can see the open trunk. You still get more than enough space for your daily use.
Oh yeah, definitely.
Yeah.
Good amount of space in there, that's for sure.
Anyway, it's a 5-seater SUV. Yeah.
Wow. It's a very nice car too. It's very nice. I like it.
It's basically it's sized as Korean brand Kona,
Ah,
because Kona now is a good seller in European market as an electric SUV.
yeah.
So we hope to
I-
sold as many as possible
Yeah, I
to
guess-
compete with Kona, because this is
Absolutely.
really a good car,
Yeah, absolutely.
economical and good drive.
Yeah, I can see this doing really well in Europe for you guys. So yeah, it's an amazing car as well. So yeah, great.
Can we get inside?
Yeah, let's take a
I'll
look
show you
inside.
some function.
Sure, thank you.
can start the engine. Press
Brake.
press brake and then start the engine. You can control button.
Got it. That just popped out.
Yeah. So you have the drive mode, neutral mode, reverse gear, parking gear here.
Okay.
The layout of the dashboard is also very clean, not too much. From here you have the AC control.
It's very convenient as
Yeah.
well. Yeah.
The PDC for the heater. When you drive in the winter times, so you need to open the PDC
Ah, okay. Keep it
to give you warm air inside.
Okay.
From here,
Very nice. Very cool. And then I see that you also have a 360 camera on this vehicle.
yeah, indeed.
Yeah.
Also, you have the auto hold for the brake, automatic during the driving.
Ah. Oh, nice.
Yeah.
Very good safety
You have
feature.
you have the radio here. Radio,
Awesome. It's all
Video.
touch screen as well.
yeah. Driver assistance, navigation, settings. So you can control everything from here. So this is Bluetooth. Here's the connection.
Nice. So these
Yeah,
are.
connect to your phone. Either Android or either iPhone.
Uh-huh.
Both you can connect.
Okay, and this will activate navigation and other features like that.
Yeah.
Great. Well, it seems like all these SUVs are really intelligent and really connected, aren't they?
Yeah. This is also the direction we move into. Because right now, I think the conventional cars is need to be improved with as many intelligent features as possible. Because people are now more and more lazy. They want to do they want to do less when they drive.
Right. No, it makes total sense. The
Yeah,
technology
yeah.
you're investing into
make-
this.
Yeah, makes the control easier.
Yeah. No, absolutely. So.
You have also the functional steering wheel
Line
here.
control, phone control
Yeah,
options. Yeah.
this is electric, pure electric. You can see the range, 8 kilometers.
Wow, this is awesome too. So, and this is again, I think this is a great car for families that are on a budget, but they still want to have the latest and greatest in technology and with electric vehicles. So yeah, this is an awesome option for a lot of people,
Yeah.
I'm sure.
But even this is a very small car, you see. But even you get more than enough power. The max power can reach 120 kilowatt. And the
wow.
torque 300 newton meter. So you will still get a very easy acceleration.
Got it. Yeah, I mean, it packs a lot of power for such a small vehicle. So yeah, this is
Yeah,
definitely a great option to consider as well.
exactly. So this is glove box. Yeah, also put something here.
Just a little bit of storage, yeah.
Yeah.
Looks great as well. Yeah. And then I also noticed you have some commercial vehicles.
Yeah, exactly. So let's move to the commercial models.
Sure, let's take a look.
So basically, we have two models for the commercial purpose. All of them are electric. They're using the 38 kilowatt hour lithium battery as a power, and the motors, the max power can reach 60 kilowatt. So both of them can reach driving range about 300 kilometers. So it's more than enough range. So it's good for the city movement. For this model, the most interesting is that here you can see it's like e-mobility chassis. On this chassis, you can build many different variants, such as aluminum cargo box and also window truck to carry some goods for the small business.
Okay,
So it's just much more flexible.
so you can really customize this depending on your
Yeah,
business
yeah,
needs.
exactly.
Oh wow, that's really good.
Yeah. Here underneath the body, you see the battery.
Oh yeah, right here.
Yeah, it's a lithium battery. Also, the motor is connected directly to drive the rear wheel, so save as much energy as possible.
Yeah, it makes sense. Totally makes sense.
So there is no transmission at all. No transmission.
Okay. Yeah, very nice.
Yeah.
And I see you have another.
Yeah,
vehicle
it's a
as
cargo
well.
one. Let's move there. This model in Chinese market right now we are number one in this segment. We are selling lots of them to the fleet buyers. For example, the Lala Move, the China Post, and DHL, TNT, such kind of courier company in China. Because this is really a one cheap to buy and easy to move inside the city for small distance movement. So, let's check the cargo space.
Sure.
Here you have got 4.8 cubic meters, so you can carry lots of materials as you want. And the floor is very strong for some tough materials. And also here you have the partitioning panels to protect the passenger inside of the cab.
That's a very, very good feature to have.
Yeah. You want to sit inside?
Sure, why not? Let's see how it
I'll
is.
show you some functions.
Yeah.
Take care. You can move the seat also backwards a little bit.
Okay.
Yeah. Pull here.
Oh, right.
Yeah.
Great.
It's okay. So I go to the co-driver seat. So there's not so much complicated buttons here, but it still have from here the handbrake, the transmission you have here for driving gear, neutral gear, reverse gear to control the movement of van. And then here you still have a cup holder
Oh yeah, very convenient.
to protect your coffee when you do the work in the
Yes.
morning.
You gotta drink coffee in the morning, right? Before you go.
Ground box. Put your some materials. Here, air outlet for the air conditioning. Here is the air conditioning. I need to start the engine.
Okay. Oh, there we go.
Yeah.
now it's on.
Yeah, there's the engine.
You have all the necessities you need as a driver
Yeah.
for your business. So
Yeah.
yeah, this is an excellent choice for a small business as well.
Anyway, it's like a tool for carrying goods.
Right.
You make money.
Absolutely, right? It's a small investment and you get a big return for the vehicle it is for business.
Yeah.
It's great. Well, of course, I appreciate you showing me your lineup. I think you have amazing vehicles coming out, and yeah, it's I'm very excited to see production of this as well.
So let's move to the screen.
Sure.
So Fred,
Yes.
thank you very much today for your interest in our product.
Thank you. I mean, it's amazing to see what you have available, and I appreciate you taking your time with me today.
Yeah. By the way, we have a Shanghai Auto Show in April 19th.
Oh, really?
So are you going to go there to learn more about the brand and our models?
I would love to. Yeah. I mean, I would definitely would love to go and see more about Ceres and get more information on it. But yeah, it's a car that I think I really want to buy. But yeah, I would love to go and attend the show with you.
Yeah. Also, from there you can learn more about the Chinese industry, auto industry regarding the electric or the conventional cars.
No, it's great. Yeah, get to see a lot of different cars. Yes.
Okay.
Great.
Okay. So see you.
All right, Kush, thank you so much.
See you. Thank you.
All right.
See you. So I prepared a small gift for you.
Oh,
Hope you like it.
thank you. It's a polo shirt.
It's a T-shirt with a series brand.
Oh, thank you so much, Kush. I appreciate that.
You're welcome.
I will be wearing this at the show. You can bet on that.
Okay. Thank you.
Kush, thanks again.
Thank you. Thank you.
All right,
Thank you.
thanks.